Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey man, real quick, if you guys want to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, that would be awesome. Thank you guys so much. We have kind of a different video today. We haven't done something like this in a long time, so if you dig this type of stuff, let me know we're doing that. Also, if you guys missed last video, we unboxed a $15,000 pendant that's around my neck right now, but it looks stupid with this small chain, so I'm just gonna hide it for a bit. Anyway, thanks. Also, man, this video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com. There's a link down below. It's our website. I sell jewelry on there. I'm not gonna lie, the jewelry's fake. The quality of it might be like kind of questionable too, but I try to give you guys the coolest styles for literally the best price. The cool part is, man, everything's free, but not really. You can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. That's what you're paying for on this website, so go add 2 free things if you want to. NameBran fam, link is down below. Alright, man, we haven't done kind of like a trolling video in a long time. If you guys remember way back before COVID, I was doing a lot of like public trolling videos, trying to, for example, sell fake jewelry to pawn shops at the same time, like really trolling them, or trying to sell fake jewelry, or whatever. You know what I mean? I troll people in public. Now, not only is COVID stopping me on that, but as you guys know, I'm banned from all pawn shops in my city. Well, for a couple of them I'm banned from, the other ones I'm just like politely asked to leave if I go in them, and same with every mall in my city. 2 of them I'm banned for life. So I'm trying to think, man, I've been itching lately to do a video kind of trolling again, but we gotta do it from inside. I can't go and travel and do this stuff because I'm in Canada, you know, I ain't trying to spend 14 days in quarantine or whatever. So I thought today we would try to sell this 6IX9INE piece, going back to the classics. This is a fake 6IX9INE piece right here. As you guys know, he spent like $1 million on his actual one. This is an exact replica pretty much. And we're gonna call some pawn shops today. Prank call at the same time, because I'm not gonna like pump my tires right now, but I used to be the king of prank calls with all my friends. It's just like, I haven't done this in like 15 years, so I might be a little rusty. But we're gonna kind of describe the piece to them, which I think is gonna be hilarious over the phone. How do you describe like a diamond shark over the phone? And see if they offer anything for the gold and diamonds that I'm selling. And also prank call at the same time. I'm sitting here bored, I can't leave my house, so that's what we're doing. We're selling 6IX9INEs, replica shark pendant to pawn shops. Let's get into the prank calls, man. I already blocked my number. This might be an issue. Uh-oh. Can people call the cops on you for prank calling? Also, do I care? No. Alright, let's do it.
Hello.
Yeah, hi there. I'm looking to sell something that's kind of close to me in my heart. It's from my mom's ex-boyfriend. Before coming in the shop, I guess, I just wanted to see if you'd be interested in buying it.
So what do you want to sell?
Well, it's kind of like this, it's got a bunch of diamonds on it. I'm not really sure what it's shaped as a shark. It's really weird, but I know it's worth a lot of money. My mom's boyfriend, actually, he was quite wealthy. He actually choked on a hot dog.
You need to see the stuff.
I told the guy, if you're gonna be making the hot dogs, it's gonna be on the barbecue. It's gonna be too slippery if you're making it, you know, on the pot in the stove. Ended up going straight down the dude's gullet, and he literally choked on a wiener, which wasn't funny. But yeah, so we're looking at it. It's
we need to see the stuff. I cannot tell you by phone.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no. Okay. So it's about 14 karat white gold.
We need to see it.
Okay, well, I'll just describe it, and if you use your imagination, I think you could probably figure it out. So it's about 14... Alright, next one. Keep in mind, boys, anything I do is improv. I'm not good at reading lines. It's better off top, so hopefully I'm not too rusty on this stuff, but I think that one went pretty funny.
And thank you for calling. How may I help you?
Hey there, I got a new piece that I'm trying to sell.
That's the new piece?
Actually, you sound kind of smart. Don't tell the manager. I'm trying to sell something fake. Is there maybe somebody dumber that I could talk to and convince them to buy what I'm selling?
Oh, well, okay.
Would that be you, or?
Oh, sure. What do you have that's fake that I'm not going to buy?
Well, if you're not gonna buy it, can I talk to somebody else, please? You're the manager, aren't you? Okay, I was just joking. So what I have is a real, it looks like 1,000-piece diamond chain right here, actually pendant. 14 karat gold, about £1 worth. I reckon 300 bucks we could get a deal.
No, interesting. 300 bucks for £1. You're going easy.
Well, I mean, that could be easier. Actually, we could talk about easy. My mom's on OnlyFans right now. Ma, you want to give this guy a free subscription?
Hello, thank you for calling. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi there. I've got my stovetop out, and I think I have all the ingredients. Can I get that casserole recipe, please?
What?
Recipe for the casserole?
This is...
Oh, my grandma's senile. She gave me the frickin' number. Grandma! Wrong number! Again! Sorry.
Hello?
Yeah, hi there. Is this a pawn shop?
Yes.
Hi, I've got a nice vase here that was actually passed down to me from when my grandma died. It's got actually a really nice lid on it too. The one thing that really struck me on it as well is there is some sort of sand in it. Judging by the smell of the sand, the burnt smell, I'd assume it might be moon sand or sand from Mexico. I don't know if you have any sand collectors in there.
No, thank you.
I'm tasting it now. It doesn't seem sandy, but it does seem burnt.
Thank you. No, nice. Okay, bye-bye.
My sense of humor off top, bro, is like, I don't know if I could be saying stuff like that on YouTube, but it's comedic, man. I mean, it's a joke, by the way. It's all a joke. Next. Hi there. I'm deaf and blind. I reckon instead of coming in there and looking at what you have because I can't, can you let me know what you sell? And I might be able to purchase.
Everything.
Hello?
I mean, you got everything.
Hello?
Hello?
Is anyone there? Hello?
Yep. Yep.
Hello?
We're open till 5 if you want to send some in and take a peek around.
Hello? Hello? I'm deaf and blind. I reckon instead of going in there and tripping on my way to get in...
I can't go through a list like that, man, because we got a big store. We got a lot of stuff.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, hi there. I was wondering if you sell, or if you, sorry, accept gold and diamonds. Accept.
Except, yep, absolutely.
Okay, so I've got this piece here. I don't know too much about it. I don't know if you've heard of the rapper 6IX9INE, but we just had an altercation yesterday. And by the way he was lying on the ground after clutching this diamond piece I'm holding, I felt like he and God were telling me, this is yours now. So I'm wondering if I could sell it, or the fact that he didn't verbally say that I could have it might damper the situation on this.
I have no idea, man.
Okay, so kind of just...
That wouldn't be an authority on that one. So
okay, yeah, for sure. I get what you're saying. No, we'll just pretend I didn't say that. So yeah, it's shaped like a shark. It's got a mouth on it. There's got to be about a pound of gold on this, so I reckon I could get at least 300 bucks.
Yeah, bring it down, I'll take a look.
About a pound of gold, 14 karat, completely real. I don't really know my pricing on that stuff, but I'd say, I don't know.
No, I will, my computer program does all of it, so I'd have to actually throw it on the scale. And
okay, perfect. And if 300 doesn't work, I need about $15 at least to replace my bike tire. I'm living under a bridge right now, but also buying a bed. I don't know, $250 we could probably work out.
For sure, yeah. No,
okay.
Bring it down, I'll take a look.
Okay.
You need to have 2 pieces of ID though when you come. I'm not sure if I'm where you want to come with this, because I do have to file a police report on anything that comes in, right? So.
Oh. Yeah, hi there. I've got an item for sale. Before taking it in, I was just wondering if you'd be interested in the item.
So what was that?
I actually have 2 items. This item's been in my family for a little while now. I thought if you wanted to buy this item, we could maybe make a deal.
What do you think, man?
Oh, I have 2. What one?
Sorry, what?
I've got an item for sale. I was wondering if you'd be interested in purchasing this item.
What do you think?
What one? The first one or the second one? Alright, we're done, boys. I tried to get as much 6IX9INE in there as possible, but as I started going, I'm like, I think it might be funnier if I just have other clips in and 6IX9INE. So that's why it's titled that. I didn't actually mean for it to go that way, but hey, improv is improv. That's how I do it. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merkin the Game, the greatest of all time. If you want a stupid video like this again, let me know. I kind of like just effing with people, effing around a little bit. You guys know that. I like the goofs. It's all for the goof, you know? Anyway, bye. Love you guys. Bye.